everybody. Well, we're out at the trailer. This is where we store our trailer. Our fifth wheel. There's all kinds here. Giant ones, new ones, old ones. It's all different ones. But anyway, we had a leak. And we really don't know for sure how it happened, if it was just from the rattling and stuff from going up mountains and stuff, or if we nicked a tree or something. Don't know, but leaks are part of life, I guess, if you have an RV, of what we've been told. So this is the fun part.
Hi.
We had to wait. We live in Indiana. Had to wait till the weather got better. It's too cold. So yeah, here we are. It's not a bad place to keep a RV. It's on the grass, which can be a little messy. There's our bays. All our good stuff in there. Favorite chairs, rug, fire extinguishers, very important. And our umbrella base for when we go back to the beach. This is our fifth wheel inside. It's what it looks like when it's not being used. The slides are in. Does anybody else feel strange when they go to in their camper and they haven't used it for a few weeks, and it's just odd? It's like home. Here's our bedroom up there. It's like a separate home that you have that slides into. It's our little Cougar. Not real sure if we're gonna keep our little Cougar. What we're gonna do. This is our first RV, so of course now, after traveling a little bit, we've discovered things that we wish we had, wish we didn't have, things we've done differently, money we had spent, money we wish we wouldn't have spent, all that stuff. I think it's pretty common. So who knows what we have in our future. So that's our day in RV life. Hopefully the leak gets taken care of and that's behind us. Who is up there? It's funny, we parked here and we have a Cougar on this side and a bigger Cougar over on the other side. Didn't even plan it. So this is the Cougar section. That thing is massive. Over here. Does anybody have one of these things? 3 axles. Giant. Anyway, hope y'all have a good day. We'll let you know if the leak is gone or not. Hopefully next time we post something, we'll be traveling somewhere. See you later. Bye. Say bye, Mike.
Bye.
We're chasing our dreams. Remember to subscribe and like. Have a good day. Bye-bye. If you liked our video, make sure that you press the like button, and we'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you the next time. Bye-bye.